After being filled and sealed, almost all tubes are marked with a code. Often, the code identifies a lot number and expiration date. Some tube coding, however, conveys more detailed information, including the date, time, place, and even the machine and channel where the tube was manufactured. Norden offers an array of systems that make it easy to seal and code tubes according to our customers' demands. Norden Hot Air Sealing System for plastic and laminates can seal, code one or both sides, and crimp the end of a tube all in a single step. Plastic and laminated aluminum tubes are sealed using the same process but different tools. Our metal folding sealing system first folds the tube and then embosses characters or a pattern on the seal. Aluminum tubes intended for two-sided coating should first be sealed with a saddle fold. In either case, the result will be distinct, clear, and easy to read. Tubes can also be coded using printers. Inkjet printers, which print while the tube is in motion, work well on both colored and white tubes, as long as they remain flat and are inked with a fast-drying print that doesn't smudge. If you prefer a laser printer, Norden recommends either a CO2 or an ultraviolet laser printer. A CO2 laser works by vaporizing the surface layer of paint or varnish, revealing the base material below. This type of printer works best with a double surface tube. An ultraviolet printer works by creating a photochemical reaction in the tubing material, causing it to change color. A UV laser works best on a white or very bright tube, but does not require an additional layer of contrasting paint. This process generates a small quantity of fumes, which will be removed by a fume extractor. Norden makes filling, sealing, and coating tubes simple. We'd love to show you how.